Here's Watch Faces app BetterWatch. So just tap Get and then double click to install it. This is one of the best apps to to upgrade your Apple Watch with some really cool wallpapers, watch faces, widgets. This app has a lot of reviews and it's in the top charts. Exclusive features, favorites, peak, save watch faces from any source, including default watch, utility app, any categories and other apps. Limitation unlock BetterWatch removes the default limitation of 50 watch faces on your device. Store unlimited watch faces and easily switch them out. Personalized collection, trendy watch faces and widgets designed specifically for your Apple Watch model. Then there is a gallery, compatibility, health access. Of course, you will need like an Apple Watch device for this. And then you can just open this up. And you can really customize your Apple Watch with all of these different devices. It's quite cool. And then lifetime deal they have, which is quite handy. Only $8 lifetime access. So this is not a monthly payment, not a yearly payment. This is complete lifetime access. I would say it's quite good deal, to be honest. So definitely you can get that. But I think there also have some free version, and then you can just explore all of these different watch faces. You can allow notifications. Then you can just, all right, you're directing me to reviews. And then like for example, you can see like Christmas countdown, holiday season, top rated. For example, you can have this, and then how to add the watch face. Tap add this watch face button. Tap on watch app icon. Add to my faces button. So but unfortunately, of course, like this premium top rated faces, you will need to upgrade, obviously. And then I don't know, like if you can actually add any without upgrading. But quite cool. And then you can see all these colorful watch faces, top rated. Quite cool app, super easy to use. Then you see your liked one. You don't even need to create an account. Then you see settings, and then you just select what's your Apple Watch series here, privacy, help, and support. Super easy app. And then there is family sharing. I don't know, like you can set up an Apple ID for kids. Basically you can just set up family sharing for this app, I guess. So that can be quite handy to use this app if you upgrade it for it. So that can be handy. So that's what it is. Try it out.